Welcome back to American Truck Simulator, and let's talk mods. So today I want to show you how I got my Kenworth K100 into American Truck Simulator. So what we do is, to find this truck, you go up to the Steam Workshop. In the Steam Workshop, you'll be able to find this truck and many other mods there. When you see this truck in the workshop, right here in this corner, it'll have a green plus sign. You will click on that, and that will download it from your Steam Workshop into your mod manager. Once you have it into your mod manager, simply click on that, and then you click right here, and that brings it into your active mods. Now we're going to talk about, the placement of where these mods go in a later video. Let's hit confirm. So now that we've confirmed it, let's go to continue game. And if you find that this video helps you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and put down something in the comments. Say hi. Let me know where you're driving from and what else you'd like to see a video about. So when you load into your game, you may see the previous truck that you're in. So in order to find the new truck, we're going to go to Truck Dealers, which is right here. Let's open that up. And let's go down to Access Mod Dealer. You'll click on that. And here, you'll see that we now have that Kenworth truck. You can select on any of these versions. You can customize, there it is, customize the configuration to your liking, colors, paint jobs, engines. That'll be also in another video. We're going to hit purchase for now. And yep, we're going to do that. So we purchased it. And so now you want to put it in your garage if you have one. So I'm going to put in my Phoenix one. And I'll put it right here. Go down, okay. We've purchased it. Fantastic. And then we're going to close this screen. And then we're going to close this screen. And then we're going to go over to our truck manager, which is right here. Let's open that up. And then here is our Kenworth. You select on that. Drive it. Yes. And we should load into it. And make sure to let me know what trucks you're using, where you're driving from. What mods I should show off or check out. Let me know what we can do. Let's go to the outside. Fantastic. Man, I love this truck. Start it up. That sounds fantastic. Well, that's pretty much how you can get your mod life started, so to speak. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and tell all your friends. Come back for more. We'll see you on the next one, all right? Laters.